Examine each of the quadratic functions given below and determine which one is not like the others. Okay, f of x equals x minus 3 times x plus 2. Well, this one's in factored form. This one has only one x-intercept, so that would have a double root. Which means it's a perfect square. It can be written as f of x equals something squared. And I guess I'll put here the x minus a squared. C, there are no whole numbers that multiply to get -7 but add to get 3, so this can't be easily factored. So probably we could either complete the square, use the quadratic formula, or the Babylonian method for this one. So we'll put not easily factorable. Try either complete the square you could also do quadratic formula, or you could do the Babylonian method. Okay, for D, that one looks like it has no x-intercepts, so it doesn't have any real roots. So no x-intercepts, which means no real roots.